Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.